17 chapter 17 listen arrangement for the teaching of a speech. It was arranged that Helen should join the Wright Humasan School for the Deaf in New York City. Accompanied by Miss Sullivan, Helen went there in October 1894. The aim was to provide the highest advantages for Helen in vocal culture and training in lip reading. In addition to those subjects, Helen also learned in the school arithmetic, physical geography, French, and German. देखियो एक प्रोग्रेस हला एटा बुझियलन ना ए पैराग्राफ हां प्रोग्रेस इन द लर्निंग ऑफ जर्मन मिस रिमी Helen's German teacher could use the manual alphabet. After Helen had acquired a small vocabulary, they occasionally talked together in German. Before the end of the year, she read Wilhelm Tell. Helen thought that her progress in German was faster than that of any other subject. She found French much more difficult. Her progress was slower than in German. It was so then French जेतले पढ़ले टिके असुविधा आइछ माने बेसी जोर रे पढ़ना जल्दी पढ़ना in it was so because her French teacher did not know the manual alphabet हैना हाथे रे alphabet से जान नथला and had to give her instruction orally खाली पाटरे पाटरे कहउतला Helen could not read her lips easily. In spite of this difficulty, she was, however, be able to read the Lee Medicine Malagre Louis again. It was quite amusing. Amusing means मजेदार थला. Ambition to speak like other people. Helen's progress in lip reading and speech was unexpectedly slow. Slow thila. Tankara ete progress ta dhire dhire hota. Helen's aim was to speak like other people and her teachers thought she could do so. Se kari paribo. They worked hard and faithfully, but the goal was not in sight. गोल माने जहा चाहूतिले से करि परिबो बोली हेई परलानी द डिसअपॉइंटमेंट वाज नेचुरल हला नेचुरल माने से माने डिसअपॉइंट हेले माने मन दुख करले as the aim was too high हला then there was another disappointment. Helen was not good at arithmetic. से arithmetic तांका भलो नथला. She jumped at the conclusions. She avoided reasoning and relied on guess. Se khali guess karnotla. All those things increased her difficulties. Difficult hala, which caused depression at times. बेले बेले भी तांको depression भी हेची. माने मन दुख लागिवो हैला depression. हैला the study of physical geography. Helen studied with great interest all other subjects, especially physical geography. It was delightful for her to learn the secrets of nature. Nature विषय जानियो. She learned that the winds are made to blow from the four corners of the heavens. She learned how the vapors rise up from the earth, how rivers are caught out among the rocks, and how man can overcome natural forces. Okay, बेतेबले जहा बन्या बात्या ताऊ केमती man केमती overcome करिवो केमती हला बंध बाड़ पकई enjoyable activities. Helen recalls माने मने पकांदी their delightful walks in Central Park, the only part of the city Helen thought to be congenial to her. माने भल लागुला से पार्ट रे से सेंट्रल पार्क जगह रे हला चलियो. She remained cheerful in this park. In the spring they made excursions. Excursion में जानती to various places of interest. हला भल भल जगह को जानती. They sailed on the Hudson River. सेठी जाई नौका जाइचंती हला Hudson River and wandered बुलीचंती wandered about चारियाडे बुलीचंती on its green banks. नदी कूले कूले बुलीचंती. She loved the granular she loved the grandeur of Palisades. Okay, Palisades बोलते गोटे जगह की कौन? Okay, grandeur माने तार चमक माने beautifulness है ना? Among the other places Helen visited were West Point, Terrytown, ये सब जगह को जाई चंदी. The home of Washington Irving, where she walked through Sleepy Hollow. What is that? So Helen, admired by her teachers at the Wright Homesung School, were always planning how they could provide their pupils every advantage of the normal every advantage the normal hearing people have. जोड़ा सब नॉर्मल लोक कर पारचंती से माने सेडा सब करेबे हैला ए डीप मानकु. They wanted to pull them out of their cramping circumstances. माने जो circumstances से माने अछंती जिनता को सुभा जाउनी कहि परनांती सो ताकू से दूर करी हैला. A tragedy for Helen. Mr. John P. Sploding of Boston died in February 1896. He died. He had been most kind and teacher to Miss Sullivan and Helen. She had been most kind and tender to ସେମାନେ बहुत kind ଥିଲେ କାହାକୁ Sullivan ଆଉ Helen को. His death was an incident of great sorrow to Helen. Helen को दुख लागला. Says Helen भी कौन कहचंती ना his going away left a vacancy in our lives that has never been filled. Okay, so कहचंती से vacancy टा आउ के नहीं पारिबे fill up कर